Pretty stoked, the new toolbox has arrived. So today we're just gonna unbox it and put it together. It's pretty massive. It's pretty heavy too, so we're gonna have to unbox it while it's on the ute and then try build it as it comes off. Here. So this box must contain all the tools. It's a 264 piece, I think. So it's pretty cool. But yeah, I'll carry on. And once it's all together, we'll run through each drawer and exactly what's in it. Cool part is it's already got the wheels on. Sucks when you buy new stuff and you got to build it, so that's cool. Well, that was hectic. She's pretty heavy. She weighs like around 200 kilo, but we got her off, not a scratch. So I'll keep going and get it together. That's it, man. This is a big toolbox. Killer. Been waiting a long time for this. In like 10 years, just wherever the tools got put down, that's where you had to find them from. It's gonna be so sick to have a actual place for all the tools. Probably end up, once it's got most of the tools in there and all the other tools I want to put on, I might get a labeler and just label each drawer so I remember where it was. But yeah, stoked. So this is the 262 piece, I think, or 260 piece. I'm pretty sure the set's called 2 262 because you've got the bottom and the top box. But yeah, this is everything that is in it. So it's a nice variety, and then I'm just going to add on to that with sort of specialized tooling to suit automotive stuff. So yeah, all the tools feel real nice. So yeah, I'll start putting it all in there, and along with some other items that I've already got. That's the toolbox all together now. It's got some of my own tools in there now, and I'll show you what the actual, this one was a 262 piece, so it's 260 tools, and then the bottom and then the top cabinet as well makes it 262. We'll open it up and have a look. So up the top here we have breaker bars, crescents, some snips, and a whole lot of sockets. So there's key out, we'll open the drawers. So as you can see in some of these drawers there'll be my tools as well. But just to give you an idea on the sizes. Nice deep drawer, that one. This one's another deep one. Put my battery powered tooling in here. All my deep sockets. Go into the bottom. Nice big tray. The slightly smaller trays, got my different die set. That one's empty. Timing and flow lock. This is all my gear that I've put in here. All saws and hammer. Tools. Last roll. My pulley pullers and spring clamps and whatnot. But yeah, hopefully that gives you an idea of the size. Pretty cool sliding drawers, they feel nice quality. Overall, she's a massive toolbox.